Pre-pooing, detangling, hours upon hours for wash days and endless styling. Natural hair can be a lot and I've had enough. My solution to giving myself a break is a silk press, so watch how I get my hair from this to this. What's up Kellys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through my silk press and trim because at the minute I've just had enough of my curly hair. It's a lot, it needs a trim. I'm just kind of a bit sick of doing it, so hopefully it's not going to be too drastic, but let's get to it. I'm here at the Venna James salon in London with my favourite hairstylist, Hair by Shaz. We start off by shampooing these curls, and this is my favourite part as there's nothing like a good head massage. My hair was literally filling the whole of the washing bowl. It's grown so much. The products used today were by Avalon, and you can see her just doing 2 shampoos and then a moisture treatment. For the moisture treatment, we get wrapped up in some cling film and go under a hooded dryer to enhance the treatment and its benefits. I cannot stand being under here as it's so hot, and I was ready to come out after like 15 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, after that, we start the process of styling. She spritzes my hair with a bit of leave-in before detangling and blow drying. So here you can see what my hair looks like prior to trimming. The last time I went to hair was in September, so it's been quite a while. And then in between I got a curly cut, but I really should have gone after my curly cut because it wasn't enough of a trim. The ends were horrendous and I knew a lot had to come off. They were literally see-through. She decided to press my hair out first before trimming to give her a better scope of what needed to come off. I explained to her that I was a little bit conflicted between going for a curly cut and a straight cut because my hair didn't have shape when it was cut straight, and I wear my hair 90% curly most of the time. So she recommended that I either do both a curly cut and a straight cut, but she was also going to put in some layers for me to get a little bit more shape. Nothing drastic. Here you can see really how much she's taken off. It's literally about 2 to 3 inches, but it's whatever. Health over length always, and it looks so much nicer with the ends cut. Here is the final result. I absolutely love having my hair straight and cannot wait till it grows to waist length, which is my ultimate hair goals. It was literally giving movement and shine, and I was really happy with the layers. If you'd like to see my hair being cut curly, click the thumbnail at the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.